Hey guys, how are you all doing? It's been more than 2 months since I posted a video, but I was making some different content and I'll let you know about that in the upcoming special video at 6,000 subscribers. But for now, I'm back, and before we set this League of Legends or Wild Rift setup, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. With that being said, let's roll the intro. To make this amazing home screen, go to description and download all files and applications. I guess you know how to set the wallpaper and Noah backup. So set the wallpaper and restore the Noah backup from the given files. And if you don't know, please check my previous video and follow those things, okay? Now let's set widgets one by one. So let's go for the first top widget, click on it, and you will see that one create option and import option is available. By the way, this is the new KWGT which they have updated, and it is amazing. I'll post one video related to it in few days, so stay tuned for that. And for this widget, you just need to click on the import, and you need to go to the directory where you have downloaded the files, and here you will see the few widgets and files are there, okay? So few files are there. This is the first widget and this is the fourth widget. So click on the first one, and once you see that, you will see lol twn underscore w1, okay? So just click on this and click on the save. Now you will see that in the touch there is nothing. If you see anything over here, then delete it and click on the save. Now go to home, and you will see that one Wi-Fi and battery widget is there, okay? Now let's set the fourth widget. Fourth widget is at the end, just below the icons. Click on it, and for this one as well, click on the import, click on the last one, and you will see lol twn underscore w4. Here it is, okay? Now this one I have already mentioned it, as if you see anything in the touch, delete it and click on the click on the save. I have created one shortcut over here for this to open the Nova action, or you can say app drawer. So just save it. As you can see, it will open the app drawer, okay? Now we'll need to set widget 2 and 3 manually, because developers haven't allowed us to share and make changes in the files. So yeah, just click on the second widget, which is the left one, and click on the uh, explore over here, okay? Now when you select the explore, you will see this kind of packages, okay? Now as said, you need to download Flow KWGT. So click on it and find Flow 020. Here it is, okay? This one. Click on it. Now in this one, go to the layer and set the scale to 100, and go to the items, go to the date and time. In this tag group, this one, change the layer scale to 75. Okay, once that is done, click on the save, go back, go to the touch at the end and delete this action and click on this. That's it. Now you can go to home. Okay, it is set for the second widget. Now it's time for the third widget. Click on it, and we need to do the same thing for that, but with the different widget. Use the Flow KWGT, and over here you need to find Flow 006, this one, right? Sorry. Yeah. Now in this one, the scale, we need to change it to 75 and click on the save. Do the same thing in the touch, delete the action, click on the save and move to home. That's it. Everything is set. Now it will not open anything like your advanced editor of the KWGT or anything, and everything related to the icons, that will work as well. One more thing related to icons, I have used a Splendid icon pack. Let me show you. In the look and feel, you can see that Splendid icon pack is there. It is free, you can use it, but if you want to use any other icon pack like a minimalist or something like that, you can use that as well. It will look good. Each and every icon pack is looking dope in this one, so you can try those. Like O3 is old OG setup, icon pack. which is here, so it is also looking good. So you can use any icon pack that you want. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Here is the playlist if you want to check out any other setup. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Nick signing off. Thanks for watching and stay creative.